One Jersey cow on one managed acre eliminates the dairy bill entirely and reduces the beef bill to processing cost only. This video runs the exact numbers: milk, butter, cheese, beef, and garden fertility, and shows where $400 a month in grocery spending disappears. The breed decision controls every number. The Jersey is not the default family cow because of sentiment. It is the default family cow because its production profile matches family scale consumption better than any other breed available. A Holstein produces 8 to 10 gallons of milk per day. That is 60 to 70 gallons per week, more than any single family can consume, process, or store. The excess becomes a management problem before it becomes a food source. A Holstein also weighs 1,200 to 1,400 pounds, eats 25 pounds of dry matter per day, and requires 2 to 3 acres of managed pasture minimum. She is a commercial dairy animal running at a scale that does not fit 1 acre. A Jersey weighs 800 to 1,000 pounds, eats 18 to 20 pounds of dry matter per day, and produces 2 to 4 gallons of milk per day at 4 to 5% butterfat. That is 14 to 28 gallons per week, a volume a family can fully utilize across fresh drinking milk, butter, soft cheese, and cultured dairy products. The butterfat content, higher than any other common dairy breed, is what makes Jersey milk the correct raw material for home butter and cheese production. The grocery bill this cow replaces $400 per month is not an arbitrary figure. It is built from the actual grocery spending of a family of 4 on the specific categories a Jersey cow produces: whole milk at $6 to $8 per gallon, 2 gallons per week, $50 to $65 per month; butter at $7 to $9 per pound, 2 pounds per week, $56 to $72 per month; soft cheese, mozzarella, ricotta, farmer's cheese at $5 to $8 per pound, 1 to 2 pounds per week, $20 to $64 per month; hard cheese, cheddar, Gouda at $8 to $12 per pound, 1 pound per week, $32 to $48 per month; heavy cream at $5 to $7 per pint, 2 pints per week, $40 to $56 per month; beef, ground beef and roasts at $6 to $10 per pound, 4 pounds per week, $96 to $160 per month. Add those lines together, and a family of 4 spending conservatively on these categories lands at $394 to $465 per month. The Jersey cow replaces every line item on that list. What one Jersey actually produces: a mid-production Jersey cow on rotational pasture with a modest grain supplement during peak lactation produces 2 to 3 gallons of milk per day across a 305-day lactation. Call it 2.5 gallons per day on average, the honest middle of the documented production range for a family cow on managed pasture rather than a high-input dairy operation. 2.5 gallons per day is 17.5 gallons per week. A family of 4 drinking whole milk at the rate the USDA documents as average, just under a gallon per person per week, consumes 4 gallons per week in fresh drinking milk. That leaves 13.5 gallons per week for processing into butter, cheese, cream, and cultured products at $6 per gallon, the current floor price for store-bought organic whole milk in most U.S. markets. 4 gallons per week in fresh drinking milk is $24 per week, or $104 per month in grocery spending eliminated. That is stream 1 alone, before a single drop of milk is processed into anything. The raw milk value is higher. Raw milk in states where direct farm sales are legal currently sells for $8 to $15 per gallon. A family consuming its own raw milk at $10 per gallon, the documented average farm gate price across legal raw milk states, is replacing $175 per month in grocery value from drinking milk alone. Where the butterfat goes: Jersey milk at 4 to 5% butterfat produces cream that separates visibly within 12 to 24 hours of refrigeration. Skim the cream from the top of the milk jar, collect it for 2 to 3 days, and churn. The churning process, whether by hand in a mason jar or with a stand mixer on medium speed, takes 8 to 12 minutes. The result is butter and buttermilk. Both are usable. Neither requires purchased input beyond the cream that the cow is already producing. 1 gallon of Jersey milk at 4.5% butterfat contains roughly 6 ounces of cream. 2.5 gallons of daily milk produces 15 ounces of cream per day, just under a cup. Collected over 3 days, 45 ounces of cream churns into approximately 20 ounces, 1.25 pounds, of finished butter. 1.25 pounds of butter every 3 days is 2.5 pounds per week. At $8 per pound for quality pasture-raised butter, which is the current market price for comparable butter at farmers markets and specialty grocery stores, that is $20 per week in butter value. $20 per week is $86 per month in grocery spending eliminated from the butter line alone. The buttermilk left after churning feeds the BSFL colony, the hogs if any are on the property, or the chickens. Nothing is wasted. Cheese and soft dairy after drinking milk and cream are accounted for. The remaining skim milk, roughly 10 to 13 gallons per week from a mid-production Jersey, becomes the raw material for soft cheese, cultured dairy, and hard cheese production. Mozzarella requires 1 gallon of whole milk per pound of finished cheese. At current grocery prices of $7 to $10 per pound for fresh mozzarella, 1 gallon of milk produces $7 to $10 of grocery value in under 30 minutes of active kitchen time. The non-milk inputs, citric acid and rennet, cost under $2 per batch and are available at any home brewing or cheese-making supply store. Ricotta is made from the whey left after mozzarella production, the liquid that drains from the curds. 1 gallon of whey produces approximately 1 cup of ricotta. The whey that does not become ricotta feeds the hogs or the BSFL colony. A grocery store container of ricotta runs $4 to $6 for 15 ounces. The home-produced version costs nothing beyond the milk. Farmer's cheese, press cultured soft cheese, requires 1 gallon of milk per pound and 30 minutes of active time. At $8 to $12 per pound at specialty markets, 2 pounds per week from 2 gallons of skim milk is $16 to $24 per week in grocery value, or $64 to $96 per month. Beef. The calf, a Jersey cow, bred annually produces 1 calf per year. That calf is the beef stream, and at a small farm scale, the economics of 1 grass-finished calf per year are substantial enough to warrant running the numbers in full. A Jersey cow bred to an Angus bull, the most common cross for family cow operations, produces a Jersey Angus calf that combines the Jersey's easy calving and small birth weight with the Angus frame and muscling. The calf is born in spring. The cow raises it for 60 to 90 days on her own milk. The family takes surplus milk during that period, typically 1 to 1.5 gallons per day above what the calf consumes. At 90 days, the calf is weaned and the family transitions to full milking production. The calf, held on pasture and finished on grass over 14 to 18 months, produces 250 to 350 pounds of dressed beef at harvest. At direct sale grass-fed prices of $8 to $12 per pound of hanging weight, which is the current documented range for direct farm grass-fed beef across most U.S. markets. That is $2,000 to $4,200 in gross beef value. Custom processing at a USDA-inspected facility costs 75 cents to $1 per pound of hanging weight, $300 to $350 total, net beef value after processing, $1,700 to $3,850 from 1 calf per year. This video uses the conservative floor, $1,700 net, or $142 per month amortized across the year, as the beef line in the grocery replacement math. Garden Fertility 1 Jersey cow produces 60 to 70 pounds of manure per day. Over a full year, that is 11 to 13 tons of raw manure, which composts down to 5 to 6 tons of finished material, roughly 8 cubic yards of finished compost at current commercial prices of $30 to $50 per cubic yard. That is $240 to $400 in garden amendment value that the family either stops purchasing or produces in surplus to sell. A family growing a kitchen garden that was previously purchasing 6 to 8 bags of bagged compost per season at $12 to $15 per bag was spending $72 to $120 per year on fertility that the cow now provides for free as a byproduct of existing on the property. The garden that receives that fertility produces vegetables and fruit that further reduce the grocery bill. But this video does not count that secondary effect in the $400 replacement math. It counts only the direct compost value. $20 per month in garden amendment spending eliminated. Where $400 goes here is the complete monthly grocery replacement ledger for 1 Jersey cow on 1 managed acre. Using conservative figures only, not peak production, not ideal conditions, not best case pricing, fresh drinking milk, 4 gallons per week at $6 per gallon, $104 per month replaced. Butter 2.5 pounds per week at $8 per pound, $86 per month replaced. Soft cheese, mozzarella and farmer's cheese, 2 pounds per week at $8 per pound average, $64 per month replaced. Beef from 1 calf per year, amortized monthly at the conservative net value after processing, $142 per month replaced. Garden amendment value from manure, $20 per month replaced. Total monthly grocery replacement value, $416. That is the conservative number. $6 store milk, $8 butter, $8 soft cheese, $8 grass-fed beef. Every figure is below current farmers market pricing and at or below current specialty grocery pricing. The real replacement value for a family buying raw milk, artisan butter, and direct farm beef is $600 to $800 per month from the same cow on the same acre. The cost side of the ledger: supplemental grain during lactation, winter hay, minerals, breeding service, basic health supplies, runs $600 to $800 per year. Monthly cost $50 to $67. Net monthly value retained after costs, $350 to $366. The land requirement is real 1 acre is enough for one Jersey cow under one condition. The acre is managed rotationally, not continuously grazed. This distinction was covered in detail in the grazing system video on this channel. The short version, a single acre divided into 6 paddocks with 3-day grazing periods and 15-day rest produces 200 or more grazing days per year from the same acre that continuous grazing burns through in 80 days. Without rotation, 1 acre does not support 1 cow through the grazing season. The pasture strips bare by July, and the family is purchasing hay from August through April. 9 months of hay costs on a 12-month calendar. That is not a self-sufficient system. That is a hay dependency with a cow attached. With rotation, 1 acre supports 1 Jersey cow from April through October on pasture alone. Winter hay runs from November through March, 5 months. 3 Dexter-sized animals, or 1 full-size Jersey, through a 5-month winter requires 9 to 11 round bales, or 375 to 400 small square bales. At current hay prices, that is $600 to $900 in winter feed. That cost is already included in the $50 to $67 monthly cost figure in the math section above. The daily commitment this video would not be complete without the version of this system that is honest about what running it actually requires. A Jersey cow is a 7-day-a-week commitment. She needs milking on a consistent schedule, once or twice daily, every day without exception. A milking window skipped by more than 4 to 6 hours causes utter discomfort, elevated mastitis risk, and a production drop that takes 2 to 3 days to recover. There is no weekend off. There is no holiday exception. The cow does not observe either. The daily time commitment is 45 minutes to 1 hour. Morning walk and observation, 15 minutes. Milking, 15 to 20 minutes once the cow is trained and the routine is established. Evening check, 10 minutes. That is the complete daily labor requirement for a well-managed family cow in a functioning system. The families who run this successfully are not the ones who assumed it would be easy. They are the ones who understood the daily rhythm before the cow arrived and built their schedule around it. The grocery bill replacement is real. So is the daily commitment that produces it.